First of all, there is one writer, if I remember well, Mark Twain. Once he said, there are no strangers in this world, but only friends we have not met. How long is very, very small. Yeah, I think we are not strangers. So, anyway, today it's my privilege to welcome every one of you to this meeting. I was about to say this is not a planned meeting. Actually, I'm surprised that our secretary, Ronald, is so smart, or I don't know, prepared, because he only came with an agenda. And I still remember how we shared the joys, Sophie, and the speeches, and all nice. They're listening to the voice of Melody, and I think your voice of you.
Yeah,
Anchor. I still remember their voice and all. In fact, that day I was quite embarrassed because after hearing such a beautiful with this blood, and I think it is, as I've said, in this, it's high time for us to come together to show that we are one in Jesus' name. And when we are brothers and sisters, what is next? I think we'll have to celebrate now and then. Even if we are not rich, we'll be taking the lalcha, but I think that is fine. So we are here for this meeting. We have not decided proposed meeting that this year we'll be having again. We are thinking of having again this pre-Christmas get-together. Whether you agree with the idea or not, we have not really decided, but we have just come with that idea. So may I call now the secretary to maybe start what the procedure, how to go about. And we have here some of the some of the agendas. Like we have, okay, the first is pre-Christmas celebration, location, etc. And all. So I'm not going to read now because the secretary will be reading. I think before we start the meeting, we have already started actually. I've already cracked a few jokes. I think before we go to the serious discussion, I think we will follow the example of Jesus. Jesus, before he takes any, well, let's say, major decision, it's like selecting the apostles, or before performing any miracles, he always pray. So, like the sons and daughters of Jesus, we shall all stand up, and we'll start, I think, with a short prayer, and after that, over to the.
We have 8 numbers of agenda to be discussed. Before that, I just want to say something. So this time we are really lucky. We have a very dynamic, talented, and very inspirational church member from Molhoy. They are handsome. So we have 2 pastors, Pastor Jubilee Thang and Pastor James. We are really lucky this time. So first of all, we have an agenda fixing the date of pre-Christmas celebration, and secondly, the location. Venue, yeah. So we'll begin with the first venue, I think. Serial wise will go.
First is what?
Pre-Christmas celebration, fixing date.
No, fixing the date.
Fixing the date.